What's going on, y'all? So this is the second part to my journey. The video ended up being a lot longer than anticipated, so I split it into two parts. First 2 days are in yesterday's video, so if you haven't watched it, make sure you go watch it. That way you're not missing out on certain things and you're able to, you know, stay with what is going on in this video. Pretty much it's my journey from Massachusetts all the way to Phoenix, Arizona, and here I am hanging out. But I hope you guys enjoy and stay with me. So welcome to the journey. Love you. Bye. All right, y'all, quick little update. It is now 6 p.m. and I've driven about 7 hours, maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure, but I'm starving. I found a Planet Fitness, so I'm about to cook, eat, relax for a little bit, have a quick little workout, shower, and then find a place to stay. So let's get to it. I'm gonna eat one of these right now because I'm literally shaking. Ooh. Okay. Again, thanks, baby. I don't like that anybody could just open this, actually. Look at that, y'all. All right, y'all, so we got everything set. So I'm telling y'all gotta try this at home. Not that. That's not what I meant. Don't make a mess. By the way, normally I use the bigger naan breads, but that's what she got me, so I'm not complaining. So anyways, do this. All right, put some chicken in there. Throw some of these in here. Also, I normally put croutons in there, but no croutons available. I was gonna go with honey mustard, but normally I go with either French or Thousand Island. The best. Anyways, let's give it a try. Bustin'. This is so good. This is such a quick and easy meal. I love it. Y'all, I knew I was missing something. I knew obviously croutons I didn't have, but it was cheese. I normally put shredded cheese, but this was gonna do just fine. And I didn't put it in there. But anyways, cleaning up right now. Got some leftover chicken that I'm gonna put in a little bowl and eat a chicken salad either a little bit later or tomorrow for lunch. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and go get a little workout in, get a shower in, and go to find a spot basically. So let's do it. Yeah. All right, y'all, so quick little update. I just showered, took a nice quick shower. I didn't end up working out because I normally don't like to work out at night because then I can't sleep all night. So I'll probably just work out in the morning sometime. But I did take a nice shower. It was pretty good and refreshing. So I was thinking either drive for the extra hour that I was gonna work out or find a spot now. I'm not sure. What was that? Girl, what is you doing? Let's go. Beautiful sunrise here in Kansas. I'm just waking up and it is like 8 here. So I'm about to let this one out. Let's get on the road, Jack. I am cracking up, y'all. Cause I thought that right there was her little paw. But that's her fat. That's her extra skin. Moo. That's your fat. All right, y'all. So I have decided to keep driving. I'm not gonna, if I do stop, it'll just be to like pretty much go to bed in New Mexico, because I do want to come back and just spend like a week or two here and just travel like throughout the whole Mexico. So yeah, I'm like about 8.5 hours from Phoenix, which is my end destination for the moment, because I have a few packages I got to pick up there at a friend's house, and then going straight to the event that I've been talking to you guys about. But right now I'm gonna keep driving because we got 8.5 hours to go, and I can make it tonight, but I don't think I'm going to because the way my body is set up, you see. So I think after 9 years in the military, that kind of aged me about, I want to say like an extra 10-20 years. I kid you not, like I'm not even joking. So yeah, so we're gonna keep driving. Maybe we'll stay in Mexico tonight, maybe we'll make it to Arizona. I'm not sure, we'll see. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next stop. So it's been a good freaking 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know if you guys see somebody running around right here. You see them moving? Yep, there you go. So I don't know if there was an accident or not, but as you can see, I don't know if y'all could tell right here on that ground, it's literally like just icy, I think. Like, it just looks frozen. It just looks like ice. Just stuck for 5 to 10 minutes now. But luckily, we have just been hanging out. Luckily, we have our house with us. We went back there, grabbed some water. Layla got some treats, and now we're just waiting, hoping that we see movement. I'm about to go back there and take a nap, to be honest. Layla. Don't be ignoring me, yo. Come on. You don't be loving me. You're so mean to me. Anyways, I'm still stuck in traffic, y'all. That's my exit right here. It's been 2 hours since I've been able to even move. It's pretty though. So just an update on the bike. Everything has been great, thank God. Seems like it's doing good, I think. But the tarp isn't doing so good. And now my bike is super dirty. I'm gonna have to get it washed. I don't know if y'all could tell right here. Look at that. Oh man, what is that? That tarp went through hell and back, so I'm not even mad. And it was only 25 bucks. So technically, if it wasn't for that extra like wind, and snow, salt, everything. Like it went through it, y'all. So it was worth it. But now I'm gonna hop on and see if I could find something better, and stronger, more durable. So we'll see. Gosh, look at the mountains. Look at this view, y'all. Oh, all right, y'all. I'm looking crazy. Stressful day, but lax day. So I was able to find a few good spots and stuff. So that was good. Right now I'm at a Planet Fitness. I'm gonna shower and then just get some work done that I have to do, some admin work. This is so cool. Oh shit. Look at her, y'all. She's so cute. She hasn't noticed me yet. She noticed me. Hi, mommy. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Come on. So y'all, if you made it to the end of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, please. It truly helps a lot, especially me trying to, you know, get back on YouTube. So show some love, so show some support, and let's get this journey going. I hope you guys all have had like a great first like New Year's week, and this is my exciting news. I have so much coming for y'all, so make sure you come back. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I'm posting. I don't know what days I'll be posting because, you know, there's some places that do have service, others don't. Subscribe. I promise y'all, you're in for a ride. So let's hop on. You could be in the passenger seat. Yeah. So let's go. Love y'all.